You're watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The greenback fell on Thursday after European leaders struck a deal to save the Eurozone in Brussels, and risk appetite surged on the welcome news. Data showed robust growth with GDP in line with expectations. The dollar ended the day at 1.4187 to the euro and 75.93 to the yen. Next, to the euro. The euro rallied after EU leaders unveiled a $1 trillion package of measures to stem the Eurozone debt crisis. On the day, the single currency rose by over 2% in some pairs, ending the session at 107.72 to the yen and 0.8812 to the pound. British pound. Sterling strengthened dramatically on Thursday after being supported by a rise in risk appetite following the agreement of a set of measures to alleviate the sovereign debt crisis in Europe. The pound ended the day at 1.6096 to the dollar and 122.22 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen weakened overall as safe haven demand for the currency fell following a rise in global risk appetite and repeated threats of intervention from the Japanese finance minister. The Japanese currency finished the day up versus the greenback at 75.93, but down to the euro at 107.72. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.411 with targets at 1.426 and 1.4325 in extension. Below 1.411, look for further downside with 1.403 and 1.3975 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, we say open long positions above 1.6025 with targets at 1.613 and 1.6205 in extension. Below 1.6025, look for further downside with 1.5985 and 1.595 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 76.05 with targets at 75.7 and 75.4 in extension. Above 76.05, look for further upside with 76.3 and 76.5 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.